So hello everyone, this is Mohit Prithyani and welcome to our channel Mr. Lazy Tech, and this video is all about this. This is the recently launched Zebronic Zap Juke Bar 3500 and its price approximately 5000 rupees. So I'll do the unboxing of this soundbar and let's see what we get inside the box, give you the basic overview and a sound test as well, and let's see how the sound quality and bass quality is and whether this soundbar is best under 5000 rupees or not. So hope you like this one, and if you are new to our channel, kindly subscribe our channel, hit the like button, comment, share as much as possible so we can make more good stuff for you all. So let's get started. So this is the box of the Zebronic Zap Juke Bar 3500 you will be getting once the product is reached to you. And on the box itself they have mentioned all the specifications you can see over here. With attractive boxing they have given with this one, and a compact boxing I must say. And here you can see they have mentioned the connectivities options. You will be getting coaxial input, HDMI ARC option with this one, and Bluetooth version 5.0 connectivity, aux connectivity, USB connectivity. So they have given multiple types of connectivities with this particular soundbar. So now let us just quickly unbox this thing and let's see what all we get inside this long box. So inside the box you will be getting all these products. First of all, the soundbar itself and a packet over here and a white box. So let us just see one by one what all we get. So in this packet, first of all, let us just open this packet and you will be getting a user manual. You can just go through it once and see all the instructions and specifications of this particular soundbar. And input cable over here, you can just use it accordingly. And some extra tools for wall mounting. You can just wall mount your soundbar using these tools. And a remote control you'll be getting. You'll be able to access all the features of the soundbar directly through the remote itself, like volume up, down, increasing the treble and bass and all. And plus they have given some extra cells. You can just use these cells for this remote control. Now just have a look at the white box. Let us just see what all we get inside this white box. So you will be getting a power adapter to power on the soundbar and some extra tools for wall mount as well. You can just wall mount using this tool. And now coming to the main soundbar itself, this is the Zebronic Zap Juke Bar 3500, and over here they have given a premium quality of product I must say, considering the price range. इसका finish बहुत ही premium लगता है, and they have given a good design and good length of the soundbar they have given over here. So overall quality को लेके मुझे as such कोई issue नहीं लगा. They have given a good build quality and premium product at this price range. And on the right side you will be getting all the buttons, multifunction buttons they have given on the soundbar itself, like power on off, volume up down, changing the modes and all. You can directly access through the soundbar itself, and an aux input over here. And on the back of the soundbar you will be getting the HDMI ARC input, coaxial input, aux input and the power input. You can just power on the soundbar using this power input over here. Again I must say they have given a premium quality of product soundbar they have given at this price range. It looks very cool and the design also is very premium at this price. Now using this adapter, let us just power on the soundbar. So this was the unboxing and the basic overview of the soundbar. Now have a look at the sound test and let's see how these are. So as you can see here, they have given enough loud sound इसमें काफी लाउड दिया गया है. अगर आप इसको फुल वॉल्यूम पे सुनेंगे तो आपको थोड़ा बहुत डिस्टॉर्शन लग सकता है और आप प्रेफर नहीं करेंगे फुल वॉल्यूम पे सुनने में, क्योंकि बहुत ही लाउडनेस दिया गया है साउंड में और आपको बेस इफेक्ट इतना पता नहीं चलेगा फुल वॉल्यूम पे. बट अगर आप इसको 80 या 90% वॉल्यूम पे सुनेंगे, यू विल गेट द बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस. काफी अच्छा खासा साउंड भी दिया गया है, क्लियर साउंड आता है और अच्छा खासा डिसेंट साउंड आता है इस प्राइस रेंज में, और बेस भी काफी पावरफुल दिया गया है कंसिडरिंग द प्राइस रेंज. एंड बिल्ड क्वालिटी को लेकर मुझे कोई इशू नहीं लगा. बिल्ड बहुत ही प्रीमियम दी गई है. 5000 रुपीज के हिसाब से उन्होंने बिल्ड क्वालिटी काफी अच्छी दी गई है. सो आपको लगेगा यस यू आर यूजिंग समथिंग प्रीमियम एट दिस प्राइस रेंज. एंड रिमोट कंट्रोल के थ्रू आप सारे फीचर्स एक्सेस कर सकते हैं, लाइक वॉल्यूम अप डाउन, कंट्रोलिंग द ट्रेबल एंड बेस. सो जितने भी मोड्स मैंने आपको बताए आप डायरेक्टली रिमोट से एक्सेस कर सकते हैं. दैट इज अ प्लस पॉइंट. एंड अगर हम रेटिंग्स देंगे साउंड क्वालिटी और बेस क्वालिटी को, सो मैं साउंड क्वालिटी को दूंगा 4.3 आउट ऑफ 5 and मैं base quality को दूंगा 4.2 out of 5. So these are the ratings according to my personal experience and just depending on the price of the soundbar, that is 5000 rupees. But ये आपको सेल में कभी कभी 4000 रुपीज में भी मिल सकता है. एंड डेफिनेटली आप कंसिडर कर सकते हैं अगर आपको एक प्रीमियम साउंड बार चाहिए 5000 रुपीज के रेंज में. सो कोई इशू नहीं है, अच्छा खासा साउंड दिया गया है. बस जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, अगर आप इसको 90% वॉल्यूम तक सुनेंगे, you will get the best experience. I'm also leaving the link in the description part below. You can click from there and buy it from there as well. And if you have any question regarding this soundbar, you can leave me in the comment section. I'll try my best to help you out with that. So this was all about the unboxing, reviews, ratings and sound test of the Zebronics Zeb Juke Bar 3500. Hope you like this one. And as I told you, if you are new to our channel, kindly subscribe our channel. Hit the like button, comment, share as much as possible so we can make more good stuff for you all. So thank you for watching this one and see you in the next video. Thank you.